T-U-M-M-Y spells Tommy. It's ABC time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you sing along with me? You did it. My hand is yellow. Hand. That's my green hand. Green hand, blue ears, red nose. Ear. My ear is blue. My ears are silky. My ears are blue. I love my ears. How about you? Foot. Purple. I have 2 feet, 1 purple, 1 blue. I have 2 feet, just like you. Heart. Here's one of my favourites. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Level green hand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yellow hand. Blow a kiss like this. Mwah! Pat a cake, baker's man. Make me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Blue ear. Everybody count along with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Purple foot. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Red heart. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Level 3. Let's A is for apple. Apples go crunch. Let's eat an apple. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Peekaboo, I love you. I'm hungry. Is it snack time? What should we pretend to eat? How about something sweet? Time to fill our tummies with something really yummy. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands until they're squeaky clean. Listen. What's that? It's a duck. Let's quack like a duck. Oh, did you hear that? That's a lion. Can you roar like that? Roar! Listen. What's stomp your feet like an elephant? Walk like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Bounce like a kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Swing like a monkey in a tree. Move like the animals that you see. Let's have a snack.